Hello everyone, it's Claire and we are back on the award, the Christmas award. It's the last session, so enjoy and I'm really happy to find the time to share with you the screenshot because it wouldn't make sense, I think, to share it by end of the week. So I have my amazing thing in the team, bought by my sister. Thank you, Audrey. So I'm totally into the Christmas spirit. So let's go deep into the creative. So as you can see, we have King always doing great stuff on Pet Rescue. To be honest, I have to say, like, they must have a really nice team, especially because I tend to prefer this kind of creative than the ones they have on Candy Crush. Really nice job. So you have a progression on the right, really appealing. The snow goes up, and you have this cute little dog then that is rescued. So match totally with everything. So next we have Backgammon by Beach Boom. Really Christmassy, a big Christmassy theme. To be honest, really interesting one. Those kind of games, they are monetizing so well. Like, they have so much whales, to be honest. So really interesting that they are pushing the advertising. I'm usually not the target audience. I think the target audience is a bit older than I am, but maybe I'm getting old. I don't know. But I was targeted, so interesting, good to embrace the seasonality. Like, once again, don't forget, not everyone celebrates Christmas, like, really, because I mean, I'm on the target, but still. Let's continue with Supercell. So Supercell always was amazing cinematics, trailer, creative, especially with Brawl Stars from Supercell. So here you can see, like, they master, I have to say, like, how to appeal the user with switching on the camera angle. Like, you see, you have several plans with several things. Like, first, like, you see the eyes of the Santa, and you have some cross, and then you have something else, and so on. I took 2 slides to because I took too many screenshots, to be honest, because I feel like it's a really great ad, to be honest. Branding, I mean, it's a branding thing, but Supercell, they are known for their IPs, so it makes total sense. And I would be curious, yes, to know the performance, but I really enjoy it, to be honest. But I didn't install. So here you have the end. So amazing story with this. I will let you watch it. If you go on Facebook at library, you should access it easily. But you can see, like, it's really placement wise. It's really think for the story format. There is nothing that is cropped. It's really high quality. It's a 3D concept. So I think it's a really expensive creative, but really impressive too. So well done, Brawl Stars by Supercell. Next is Dice Dream by Superplay. So they are doing so many concepts, to be honest, this Christmas. It's not the first time I speak about them, but they have really interesting things, and I actually prefer this concept that is way more simple than the first one I show you. It's only a slingshot that goes on the match-3 board, and I feel like the idea is amazing. Like, I don't know if this concept is going to perform, but it showcases the mechanic really well. The creative is not too complicated. It's really Christmassy because you have the winter vibe and so on. So I really like this one. So then, oh yes, like, just for the joke, I've put Amazon Games here. Really interesting. I'm targeted on Instagram, so really interesting to see it, and really pleased to see Amazon going into this direction. Like, they went into this direction when we think about it a few years ago with Luna, even before Google had their little console, I will say. So really interesting. Next is A Day by Supercell. So Supercell again, but here another creative, totally different. Here you can think it's not, I mean, you can see it's not think for the format. Still, it's really funny. It's a really high quality concept. Still really cinematic, even thriller oriented, with a real story, a real Christmas story with the character from the game. So really interesting seasonal creative. Next, so Judy Blast by Crazy Buzz. So you see, like we saw those little character like about a month ago. I think in November, like everyone was doing an ad with this kind of gingerbread little character. It stopped, and now it's back. So you see, like trends in advertising, it's really a circle, um, and basically. So sorry. Basically, you rescue the little character, and then you match three. He can move on. He's happy. You can see like it's a really personalized character. You see his face. One creature shot by another, it's changing. So you know all those emotions you put on your character. This is really smart because you know like you also have this personalization effect. Like you kind of have a catharsis. You know like you 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 transfer your spirit on the character you're playing with or here with the video you are watching. So really important, I would say, each time you make an ad to think about one emotion. It can be a noob, a fail, a satisfying thing, or anything. Here it's a little crying gingerbread, but why not? Like I mean, anything emotional is really good in advertising. This is another one, Game Loafs. So really interesting runner. Actually, I'm not seeing a lot of runner, but I like the fact that Santa is actually the character. Is actually the character. Is moving. Really great progression as all the runner. Really classic runner art, to be honest. Like nothing specific except the fact that they change the character. I'm not targeted by many runner lately, so I was pleased to see it. Next is Solitaire Garden Tree Peak Story. So yes, I'm noticed. I'm targeted only by games that are really old, that are a really old target audience. So I don't know how to take it, to be honest. Maybe I should stop to watch on Instagram. But I like it. I think it's really cute. A white background is something that is working well. It worked really well since last month we saw a lot of white backgrounds. So the snowman fit perfectly. The card is really simple and it makes total sense with the game. Next, Pet Rescue Saga. So yes, once again it's King. I mean, they're really doing always amazing ads on this game. I think it's my favorite ad I see from King that are provided by this game. I think they are really advanced creative team. And here it's another concept. So you see, like you match three first. You see, I don't know, you say it in English, but what you put into your Christmas tree, and after like you see something like this, like you see, like I don't know how you call it, but it's something that you put on your Christmas tree. So you have this discovery thing, and it's really nice, really unique, and amazing. Then you see the little pet with it. Next, you have Farmville Banzinga, Farmville 2. I saw it on Farmville 1 as well. It was really interesting things. Like I saw slight iteration on some existing concept, and I saw as well like the first 3 seconds has been changed and so on. So really interesting, really story driven. And interior story, yes, so I'm targeted by design game, which is interesting. So here you tap to basically create something, and what you create is into the Christmas spirit. So it's really simple, to be honest. It's nothing too Christmassy, but still like you are doing something that is related to Christmas. Oh yeah, and on top you have this little Christmas thing as well. Merge mentioned by Metacore. So really interesting one, especially that because I saw this ad. I saw this ad at the same time when they did their live action thing. But I didn't saw the live action actually. I saw it on LinkedIn for some maybe recruitment post, but I didn't saw it on Instagram. So this is the one that I'm seeing right now on Instagram. They changed their logo, so as it is a rebranding, they are using it massively everywhere. You can see it on the top right. I would say maybe not the best placement when you see that you have actually the icon that is covering the logo. It looks a lot like the ads you are seeing on Voodoo or on, Voodoo on the Coswell games, Plantopia, and also on Homescape. So still like they changed, they added some winter things and so on, but I feel I feel like it's okay, like it's an okay ad. I'm not sure how it performs, but it's definitely an interesting one. The end is a classic white one that is highlighted. The match board is highlighted as well. You have three different things to match three, and I think that's all. And then you have the end card. Yes, and no Christmas spirit on the store. So this is a creative, really interesting one. I think they have a lot of budget as well on creative. It's a high quality creative, and they are doing a lot of 3D concept as well, story driven, with a story arc and so on. So really great. Next is Rubber Bandit. So this one is actually a Steam game, but I really found it funny. It made me think about those games we had last year. I don't remember the names. I'm not going to speak about it. I don't remember. But really great. Like the console game, like they are always having really nice. Really nice seasons. They are doing a lot of seasonality with the season and live ups and so on. So yeah, it's really what you see on the ad. And I'm sorry, I don't remember the game that I played all last winter. It's a super famous game. I'm going to put it in comments because I don't remember. I feel stupid. Okay, so sorry about this. I'm going to put it in comments. Yeah, I'm sorry, I don't remember. And I just want to wish you amazing end of year, and also like really like